Hello, word friends. Welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is camera, a one-level noun, and it means a device for taking photographs or videos. It's something we encounter almost every day, isn't it? Now, let's dive into what a camera is and how we use it. A camera, at its core, is a tool that captures light and records it, creating an image or a moving picture. Think about your smartphone. It probably has at least one camera. Professional photographers use specialized cameras to take high-quality images. You might use a camera to capture precious memories on vacation, or a journalist might use one to document important events. The possibilities are endless. Let's explore some synonyms for camera. A close synonym would be photographic device. For example, she invested in a new photographic device to enhance her photography skills. Another synonym, though a bit more specific, is recorder, especially when referring to video cameras. We could say the security camera is a video recorder. While recorder isn't always interchangeable with camera in the context of video, it certainly fits. Now, let's think about antonyms. This is a bit trickier because camera is a concrete noun referring to a physical object. It doesn't have a direct opposite in the same way abstract concepts do. However, we can think of things that represent the absence of recording or capturing images. One could be oblivion, as in the moment passed into oblivion, uncaptured by any camera. Another, more conceptual antonym could be neglect, implying the absence of visual record. For instance, the historical site suffered from neglect. No camera ever documented its beauty before it deteriorated. Let's consider how we can use camera in everyday life. You might say, "I need to charge my camera before the trip." Or, "Did you bring your camera to the party?" You could also hear someone say, "Smile for the camera," which is a common expression when taking a photograph. Common expressions often use the word camera, like camera shy, which describes someone who dislikes being photographed or filmed. Or, "He loves to be in front of the camera," describing someone who enjoys attention. Here are some usage examples in sentences and phrases. The surveillance camera recorded the incident. She is a professional camera operator. The camera focused on the bride. He adjusted the camera settings. The quality of this camera is excellent. The camera lens needs cleaning. Let's take a picture with a camera. This is a digital camera. The camera angle was perfect. The security camera is always recording. She framed the shot perfectly through the camera's viewfinder. The news crew set up their camera to capture the press conference. He accidentally dropped his camera and broke the lens. She has a great eye for detail, which really shows in her camera work. The camera crew worked long hours to film the documentary. So, to summarize, a camera is a device used for taking photographs or videos. Synonyms include photographic device and, in some cases, recorder. While direct antonyms are difficult to find, we considered oblivion and neglect in the context of the absence of visual recording. Remember how you can use camera in everyday phrases and conversations, like "smile for the camera" or "I need to charge my camera." Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word camera. If you did, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn something new every day. We appreciate it so much. And now for our call to action. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word camera and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of words.